Hey, nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. I'm in Miss Brenda's kitchen. She was nice enough to let me use it. Now, I've got all that hamburger that I had to thaw out because my kitchen has no power. So, are we going to make hamburgers? No. We're going to make cheeseburger pizza. Come on.
Oh, Chris, what you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
First step, I'm going to brown all this ground beef. Some I'm going to use for the cheeseburger pizza. Some I'm going to use for other dishes. Let's add a little garlic and pepper seasoning. And get this brown. I'm doing this because, hey, I had to. That food was going to go bad, so I'm cooking everything up. And we're going to have a true freezer clean out challenge. All right, I'm going to let this completely brown. And then we're going to chop up some onion. Saute it a little bit and build our pizza. While that's browning, I'm going to cut up one onion. I tell you, got too much on my mind. Give this a little stir. I'm mincing this onion up so it'll go over top, just like they do on a cheeseburger at your favorite place. Okay. All right, our burger's done. I'm going to drain it right here. Now, put it back on. We're going to put our onions in. And saute them a little bit. Not too much, just enough. Now, I'm using flatbread, okay? You can use a pizza round, pizza crust. I wouldn't use biscuit dough, but I'm using the flatbread. I'm going to take just some regular ketchup, and I'm going to go over top of the flatbread, okay? I'm going to spread this out. Because after all, a cheeseburger does have ketchup. Some people do put mustard. I don't like mustard, so I'm not putting it. But you can if you want to. Okay. I just want a little bit more because this is going to be like a pasta sauce that you put on a pizza anyway. Only using ketchup. This is great for a kid's party. Kids love this. Okay. Now I'm going to take some of this ground beef. Let me do it so you can see it. And I'm going to put some of that on the pizza. Don't put too much because you'll overload it and it just won't cook right. You don't want it like that. Stuff will be falling off. And no, we don't want that. A little bit more. And a little bit more in this end. Now we're going to take our onions. Oop. Spread them over. Want to spread them out too. Okay. Because Because you know they always put onions on a cheeseburger at that something place. Now, we're going to add my secret ingredient. You can't have a burger without pickles. Oh, yes, I am. Put you some pickles all over the top of this pizza. Ooh. Now, we take our cheese. I'm using American. You can use any type you like. But since it's a cheeseburger pizza, I'm going to use American. Like that. Cover up the corner. Oh, that fits perfectly. Now for laughs and giggles, I'm going to top these with just a few more pickles on top. Now we're going to cook this in an oven at 350 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes or until the cheese is melting and bubbly and golden brown, because remember, everything else is cooked. All right, here we go. Nieces and nephews just out of the oven. You can't tell me that does not look good. Golden. Our pickles. I added some more ground beef on top and our ketchup at the bottom. Not to mention our onions hiding underneath. Yes, nieces and nephews. I cut mine up into squares. That's a Chicago thing. But just look at this. I had to let it cool down just a little bit. I'm gonna get 2 slices. And I'm about to let you know. Let's see. This is amazing. Oh yeah. Tastes just like a cheeseburger. But, alright. Elevated. You know what I mean? You have got to try this. I am so serious. You know what? This would be really good at a kid's party. They would love this. It's so simple. I want y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. Yes. Write to me, Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef, at gmail.com. And don't worry, y'all. Hopefully by tomorrow, the power will be on back at Uncle Chris's house. And we'll be back in our own kitchen. But I want to thank Miss Brenda and Masterclass Savory Sweets for helping us do this video, okay? All right. Let me know what you all doing for the freezer cleanout and send me your pics. And how did the weather treat you all? It tore up Chicago. I tore it up. Anyway, big love from Uncle Chris.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking?